Bush life, it's the only life I know. Welcome, people. Welcome back to another episode of Kevin Tries for the First Time. And you know. What we will be trying today is browsing in the supermarket. I browse, I see it, and I say, yo, Kevin gotta try that. For the first time, I got to. It is the, look at it, exotic cassava. Well, it's exotic chips. We have got the cassava version, yeah? Them did have like plantain and one next one. We eat them there already, so you know? This is what we never try yet. And a Grace make it. Grace, big up on yourself. It's a new. First of all, I say Grace. Not sponsored, by the way. This is just real, true. Kevin, I tell you no what I want. I like how the packaging look, you know? International standard. I love to see Jamaican products have the international standard look, and then it have the Jamaican taste. I don't know if you have a Jamaican taste yet, but we are going to try it. Wait a second. I want to see it. The snack with real crunch. Our cassava chips are deliciously crunchy and light snack made from thinly sliced cassava root, vegetable, and kettle cooked in small batches to maintain their natural flavor. Great for dipping. Nah, nothing for real dipping here, so. I mean, you know, them have the bags, them. For the longest while, I never know. I saw you're supposed to open like chips in a way. You tear, right? That's all. Come on, if you look, we see a little slit. So you tear it along here. Me a old school. Me not really in the tear along there. What I want to do is open the bag like this. That's how me I go. Me no like to fight with my chips and my bag when me I open up to go get some food. I understand? So when I put the little slit there, but I am old school. I like to open it like how I like to open it, and I don't like to fight. Now, if you don't know nothing about cassava, you know, I think cassava, if you don't deal with cassava right, and if you don't cook it right, cassava can kill you because you have cyanide in there. Cyanide, gloss or something another. Basically, it's cyanide. Cyanide is a poison. That's why when the man make bami, then grate the cassava and them juicy, then wring out as much of the juice from the cassava and discard it because the cyanide in there and it will kill you. You understand? And then they make sure so them dry the cassava too after them wring it out to get rid of any excess moisture. Maybe a little bit of a left in there, but I think enough for like, you know? You know them way there? Off the bat. What I want to say, look like breadfruit. You know breadfruit? Ah, you see you kind of have that look there of breadfruit next to it. Breadfruity qualities. I can't recall eating meat bami, so that's a cassava. I try to remember if I ever eat cooked cassava. But unlikely I have. I could go in for the taste test. Immediately, just after that one piece of cassava there, tougher than the average chips. I guess that is why they say it have a real crunch. You have to put a little bit more energy in it when you bite. Yeah. Taste wise, I like the taste. Kind of have a chippy thing about it, like the aftertaste where you get. I said chips. My only issue is the amount of effort I have to put in a chewing. And they are already thinly sliced, so if I have to put in so much energy in it, brother, damn. If you can slice them a little bit thinner, maybe as not even this. Or do something to make you have to put less effort into chewing. Because you want to eat food and you want chips or something more effortless, you see me? You know, I have to focus on it. It's like it's hard candy. Probably loud. You know, hear me? Them say kettle cooked, so I'm guessing kettle cooked is a healthier version of making chips. And it don't feel greasy, so it definitely feel like a healthy little snack. I just don't like how much me have here. My jawbone have here turn up, you understand? In a way, I'm kind of timid, like piece of it I go crack off and tap me in my gum. But as hard as they are no match for my teeth, you know? What's that little, I get a little, it's like a slight nutty aftertaste, like cashew-ish. In a way, the crunch kind of make you addicting to eating, like you want to hear the crunch. And they have like a little a sweetish, not a very strong sweet, but like if you chew it up long enough, like if you keep bread in your mouth long enough and chew it up, it give you like a sweetish taste. That's what happen with this. It have like a sweetish thing about it. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. You could have probably get a 8, want to see the improvement. Want it more thinly sliced and easier for char. And Movada, they don't tell you, Movada say, can't depend on cassava that hard to fry. And another thing, Grace, just some consistency in the slices. Because some pieces slice thicker than some. So if you can get some consistency, yeah, like the crunchiness of it, it makes it addicting to eat. Suitable for vegans. Now when they go suitable for vegan, I say, oh, that probably can't taste good, because vegan people are not nice. That has been Kevin Tries for the first. If you don't notice right throughout the video, I just name them because it's addicting. Just hear the crunch. You never lie about the snack with real crunch line there. You never lie, I truth. I chew on the dominant side of my mouth and kind of exhaust. I say, I know say the left side now go manage it so well at all. If it already exhausted, the right side, the left side now go manage it. I can just see. I almost reached tongue in eye finishing part and my mouth kind of tired. Hey Grace, I wonder if you want to try make some yam chips. That can shot to because yam nice when they fry, Grace! Yam chips! And if I'm busting up on the idea, just give me a little bit of profit. If you want to pay me for promote the food, let me know. I'm a partner. Yam chips! Grace, yam chips! Go yam chips! But that has been it. Kevin Tries for the first time. Exotic chips, the cassava one, from Grace. A new thing. I'll finish off this. And you're supposed to see one video when I record, or beverage video when I record. But I never put it out, so I get a beverage video there after that one. And then we'll see which beverage I try for the first time. Alright?